Hi guys! Our lesson for today is about flowers. Char, ako muna ngayon yung teacher niyo ha. So for today's video, let me just introduce to you some flowers that are maybe familiar to you, but we miss the real name of these flowers. So this is just an educational vlog for today. So sana po panoorin nyo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as I have told you earlier, I'm just going to introduce you some of the flowers that might be familiar to you but we miss the name of these flowers. So for our first flower that I am going to introduce to you is the Wishbone flower. It is also called Torrenia fournieri or the blue wings. This is an annual plant in a Lindanaceae with blue, white, or pink flowers that have yellow markings. It is typically grown as a landscape annual, reaching 12 to 15 inches tall. It has simple opposite or subopposite leaves with serrated edges. So that's the name of our first flower, and I have only just pink here and purple. So, sana po matandaan niyo po yung pangalan niya. So, to repeat, this is the Wishbone flower or also known as the blue wings. By the way guys, sa lahat po ng mga nandito ngayon na naka-tune in na nakikinig sa inyong teacher, big love shoutout po sa inyong lahat at sana po panoorin niyo hanggang dulo for an educational purposes. So, big love shoutout po from lahat ng mga tahanan na umampun kay Sulabi, from admins and to all the members. Thank you very much po for supporting my channel. For our next flower, this is the Chinese ixora or known as santan in the Philippines. So, kilala po natin to guys at napakarami po nitong colors like pink, yellow, red, orange, at napakaganda po din guys yung kulay dilaw. And also, it has white color. At marami po siyang varieties which is also meron pong single, meron din pong double. So, ito po yung santan po talaga. Ayan. So, meron po din siyang orange na hindi po natin nakuhanan yata ng video. But anyway, tandaan nyo guys this is a Chinese ixora or also called Ixora chinensis. So one of the best things about ixora is that it flowers throughout the year. Its flower cluster has lasted between 6 to 8 weeks, giving your landscape long-lasting and lovely colors. Ixora varieties offers a nice selection of colors including bright red, orange, yellow, pink, and white. Next is the double red hibiscus. So kilala po natin ito guys, di ba? So, ito po yung tinatawag sa atin na gumamila, which is very useful daw kung hindi ka magkaroon, kung para sa ating mga ladies, sa mga mahirap po daw magkaroon ng menstruation pag umpisa. So, need pong uminom po nitong red na single para daw po magkaroon. Hibiscus is a genus of flowering plant in the mallow family, Malvaceae. This is quite large, comprising several hundreds of species. Marami po siyang klase guys and are native to warm temperature. Which is makikita rin po natin sa sarili nating bansa sa Pilipinas. Diba guys? Meron siyang yellow, red, orange, and white. At meron din siyang a combination of white and red. Siguro nakita nyo rin po to guys sa Pilipinas, yung ganung klase na para siyang kulot-kulot na meron siyang puti at saka pula na bulaklak na napakaganda po tingnan guys, lalo pag namumukadkad silang lahat. Ayan. So sa aking mga estudyante, nakikinig pa ba tayong lahat? So for our next flower, ito po ay napaka-familiar sa atin at sabi nila gamot daw po to guys. This white is called Vinca catharanthus, which is meron din po siyang pink guys na tinatawag po nilang Madagascar periwinkle. Nakalimutan ko lang kung ano yung term natin dito sa Pilipinas sa tawag dito, pero sabi nila this is medicinal flower, which is natry ko rin po yan uminom guys ng ano niya, yung leaves niya na pinakuluan. At maganda po talaga yung result sa katawan. Proven ko yan guys. This flower is also commonly known as bright eyes, Cape periwinkle, graveyard plant, old maid, pink periwinkle, rose periwinkle. It is perennial species of flowering plant in the family Apocynaceae. It is also native and endemic to Madagascar but grown elsewhere as an ornamental and medicinal plant all over the world. So sa Pilipinas po guys, ito po ay tinatawag natin na chicharica, which is herbal po talaga siya guys, at proven ko na I myself tried to drink the boiled leaves of this flower. Next is the Acalypha hispida, o tinatawag po natin to guys sa Pilipinas na has-has. Iwan ko lang sa inyo kung anong tawag dito, pero yun ang tawag namin sa kabataan namin na has-has na hinahagis-hagis namin to guys at kunyari ahas. Ayan, nung maliliit pa kami. This plant is a flowering shrub which belongs to a family of Euphorbiaceae. At napakarami po nito guys, kung saan-saan lang natin to makikita, kahit saang lugar sa Pilipinas meron po nito. It is the fourth largest genus of the family of Euphorbiaceae and contains many plants native to Hawaii and Oceania. So class, gising pa ba kayo? So alam nyo na kung saan ang galing ang flowers na to ha. So this is from Hawaii and Oceania. Next, we have here our silver coxcomb, or commonly known as the plum coxcomb. This is a herbaceous plant of tropical origin in the Amaranthaceae family from India and Nepal. The plant is known for its very bright colors in India and China, and it is known as a troublesome weed kasi mabilis po talaga siyang dumami guys. Pero maganda naman siya tingnan pag namumulaklak na silang lahat. Gising pa po ba ang lahat? So by the way guys, sa mga gising pa at nandyan pa nakatutok pa sa aking vlog for today, big love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much for always supporting my channel. To my family and friends, sa lahat po ng mga Mampon Quezon Labi, muli maraming salamat po sa support from admins and to all the members. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat at sa walang sawang pagsubaybay sa aking mga vlogs. Ayan. At syempre sa mga bagong subscribers, new YouTube friends, new subscribers, new likers, thank you very much for visiting my channel. Please stay na po kayo, okay? Next, we have here our golden shrimp flower, or also known as Patches lutea. And in some places, this is called lollipop plant. Pero sa amin po guys, tinatawag po ito na golden candle ng aking mother dear. So meron po kami nito sa bahay. And aside from yellow, we also have orange at home. So napakaganda po nito guys at alagang-alaga po to ng aking mother dear sa aming tahanan, sa aming bakuran. Ayan. Pero syempre, hindi ko po maisusyo sa inyo ang orange kasi wala po ako sa aming tahanan. So yellow po muna ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Next, we have here our Celosia argentea, or katulad lang po ito sa silver coxcomb. Pero parang double po ito guys, na yung malalaki siya, parang kumbaga makapal. This is also known as coxcomb Chinese wool. Kasi sa kapal po niya guys, kaya tinatawag po siya ng coxcomb Chinese wool. So napakaganda po nito guys pag marami at namumulaklak sila ng sabay-sabay. And this plant also has a lot of colors, like sa coxcomb kanina, nakalimutan ko lang sabihin sa inyo, meron din po yung purple. Pero ito naman siya, which is known as coxcomb Chinese wool. It has also different varieties and different colors such as red, purple, yellow, and orange. Dito sa ibang bansa, tinatawag siya ng coxcomb Chinese wool or Celosia argentea. Pero ang tawag nito guys sa amin ay pasong-pasong, which means parang parang palong ng manok. Ayun. Next, we have here our Petunia. Petunia is a genus of 20 species of flowering plants of South American origin. The popular flower of the same name derived its epithet from the French, which took the word piton, which means tobacco. This flower has a lot of colors such as pink, purple, white, red, and yellow. And aside from that guys, the colors also is mixed already with a multi-colored flowers. Like for example, red and yellow, purple and white, pink and white, something like that. So napakaganda po nila guys. Ayan, katulad niyan, there's red and white, pink and white. So ganun na po ang kulay nila ngayon, na napakaganda po talagang tingnan guys, lalo pag namumulaklak po sila ng sabay-sabay. So sana po nakuha niyo po at na-memorize niyo po ang mga pangalan ng ating flowers na pini-feature for today. Tandaan niyo po kasi may exam po tayo next video. Joke. But anyway, sana po nakatulong po sa inyong knowledge, because knowledge is power daw. So ayan po ang ating mga flower. Once again, this is Teacher Sol, and watch out for the next topic that we are going to discuss about flowers. Char, joke lang po. Pero tandaan nyo po kasi this is educational for the future use for your children or sa inyong mga apo. Magagamit nyo rin po to. Research nyo lang po sa labi kung maghahanap po kayo ng mga pangalan ng mga flowers. So that ends our topic for today. It's about flowers and their names. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much po. Please stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is Sola-B, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always po. See you in my next videos. Abangan po ang mga flowers pa na i-feature natin for the next vlogs. Thank you very much. Paalam!